Today we're going to look at how to align the pelvis. So I've got a trusty stick here with me to show you, so you can figure out where you're carrying most of your weight through your feet. Might surprise you to know that your heel is the biggest part of your body, and it is also the part where you have to hold your balance through, especially when you're standing. So if you're standing baking cookies and getting ready for the Christmas meal, this is what you'll want to do. So first of all, make sure that your weight is on your heels by having playful toes. So just let your toes move up and down. Good. Now we're going to just put a stick next to that bone that sticks out on the side of your ankle, and we're going to line it up with the side of the hip. Now, the stick should be straight. So if I come side on, can you see my stick? Oops, there we go. Absolutely straight. If I've got my weight too far forward, I'm not going to be aligned, and you can see my whole lower back there is actually being put under tension. So if your back is sore, check that out. If you come too far back, then you're going to see your lower back is aligned, is again coming under tension. You might even be tucking under, and then that's going to tighten you up in the front. So push your heels down and find that lovely length, and make sure that you're lining your ankle up with your hip. There we go. Give your body a rest. Your body can rest in this position.